The oxygen sensor, also known as the O2 sensor, is a critical component of the modern engine. Its primary function is to measure the residual oxygen content in the exhaust gases and send this information to the engine control unit to control the exhaust emissions of petrol, diesel, and gas engines. The sensor's readings help the ECU determine whether the air-fuel mixture is too lean or too rich. Based on this information, the ECU adjusts the fuel injection system to maintain an optimal air-fuel ratio for efficient combustion and reduced emissions. Now, locating the oxygen sensor is essential for troubleshooting. The oxygen sensor is typically located in the exhaust system of a vehicle. Its precise placement may vary depending on the vehicle's make and model, as well as the number of sensors installed. The number of sensors installed depends on the number of catalytic converters it has. Generally, each catalytic converter has two oxygen sensors, an upstream and a downstream sensor. The upstream sensor is situated before the catalytic converter. It helps the engine control unit, ECU, adjust the air-fuel mixture for efficient combustion based on the residual oxygen content in the exhaust system. And the downstream sensor is located after the catalytic converter. It measures the oxygen content of the exhaust gas that has passed through the catalytic converter and monitors the converter's efficiency. Now that we know what the oxygen sensor does and its location, let's dive into the symptoms of a bad oxygen sensor. Symptom number 1, the check engine light comes on. While a check engine light can indicate various problems, a malfunctioning oxygen sensor is a frequent trigger. This happens because the ECU detects issues related to the oxygen sensor and triggers relevant fault codes. The list of error codes related to the oxygen sensor is detailed in the video description, so make sure to check it out. In addition, you can find our playlist on how to diagnose trouble codes step by step. This will guide you through identifying and resolving each code effectively. The number 2 symptom is noticeable loss of fuel efficiency. If the oxygen sensor fails to accurately measure the exhaust oxygen content, the ECU may inaccurately adjust the air-fuel ratio, causing the engine to run too rich or too lean. If you notice a sudden decrease in fuel efficiency or consistently lower mileage than usual, it could be a sign of a failing oxygen sensor. The third symptom is strong odors from exhaust. A bad oxygen sensor can cause the engine to run rich, meaning there is an excess of unburned fuel in the exhaust. This can lead to strong and unpleasant odors, such as a sulfuric smell or the distinct scent of gasoline. The fourth symptom is black smoke from exhaust. Another visual symptom of a faulty oxygen sensor is the presence of black smoke coming from the exhaust. When the air-fuel mixture is imbalanced due to a malfunctioning sensor, it can lead to incomplete combustion. The unburned fuel exits the engine as black smoke. The number 5 symptom is failed emissions test. If your vehicle fails an emissions test, a faulty oxygen sensor is a likely culprit. A malfunctioning sensor can result in elevated emissions, causing your vehicle to fail the emissions test. The 6th symptom is unusual engine sounds. A failing oxygen sensor can contribute to unusual engine sounds such as pinging, knocking, or rattling noises. Now that we understand the symptoms of a faulty oxygen sensor, let's delve into the causes of faulty oxygen sensor. The first cause is mechanical damage. Physical damage to the sensor or its components can impair its ability to function correctly. This can result from impacts, vibrations, or improper handling during maintenance. The second cause is carbon buildup. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate on the sensor, hindering its ability to accurately measure the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. Over time, carbon deposits can accumulate on the sensor, hindering its ability to accurately measure the oxygen content in the exhaust gases. The third cause is internal short circuits. Electrical issues within the sensor itself, such as short circuits, can prevent it from sending correct signals to the engine control module. The fourth cause is electrical issue. Poor connections across electrical connectors, broken wiring, Blown fuses, loss of ground, or issues with previously repaired wires can disrupt the connection with the oxygen sensor. When a car exhibits the symptoms mentioned above, and the oxygen sensor has been checked and found to be in working order, but the issue persists, it's essential to inspect the other components that influence air-fuel ratio. These components can also cause imbalances in the air-fuel mixture and similar symptoms. Issue number 1 is the faulty mass airflow sensor. The MAF sensor measures the mass of air entering the engine, providing crucial data for calculating the air-fuel ratio. If the sensor malfunctions, it can cause incorrect readings, leading to imbalances in the air-fuel mixture. Check out the video in the corner for guidance to diagnose a faulty MAF sensor. The number 2 issue is a faulty manifold absolute pressure sensor. The MAP sensor measures the pressure of air entering the engine manifold. This data is essential for calculating the air-fuel ratio. If the sensor malfunctions, it can cause incorrect readings, resulting in imbalances in the air-fuel mixture. Check out the video in the corner for guidance to diagnose a faulty MAP sensor. The number 3 issue is a faulty fuel injectors. Dirty or clogged fuel injectors can disrupt the fuel spray pattern, causing an improper air-fuel mixture. This can lead to symptoms such as poor fuel economy, engine misfires, and rough idling, which are similar to those caused by a bad oxygen sensor. Check out the video in the corner for guidance to diagnose a bad fuel injector. If you found this video informative and helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow automotive enthusiasts, and subscribe for more content on automotive diagnostics and repair. Your support helps us create more valuable content like this. Thank you for watching.